Hi! Welcome once again to Yunikly Sayson channel. This time, join us at Forest Walk which leads to Henderson Waves and Faber Point. So from Bukit Batok MRT station, take bus number 61 at bus interchange. Get off from your bus as soon as you get to see this pedestrian bridge. This is called Alexandra Arch. You'll never miss this for sure. This is a lovely place to go with your family and friends for a morning or late afternoon stroll. This is still pedestrian walkway will take you 20 minutes to cover the entire stretch. This pedestrian walkway is built on trusses and support that raise this walkway high above the forest floor. Forest Walk is connected to Alexandra Arch. The design of this arch is inspired by the open fig leaf. As you head straight, it will lead you to Hort Park and also to Canopy Walk. My husband and I have been doing this morning walk for quite a long time. We make it a point to do it once a week if our schedule permits. It's our together time and it becomes our form of exercise as well. So we decided to capture the moment and the places that been with in the form of vlog, and that's the birth of our YouTube channel. As you can see, this is a very long walk, but this allows us to have a meaningful conversation as we do this walking exercise. The walkway is quite a long stretch, but there are quick access along the road, and this is one of it. Over here, there are landed properties, and this is very expensive here in Singapore. You can take a walk here at night. As you can see, there are lights along the trail. And as I mentioned earlier on, this forest walk leads to Henderson Waves. And this is how the Henderson Wave looks at night. These HDB blocks that you can see right now are very fortunate because they have easy access to this area. They have unblocked views, and I'm pretty sure the price of their unit are very expensive because of this location. This is the end of Forest Walk. So this will lead you to Henderson Wave. Check out our video for that location. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Bye.